So we've been struggling about the thing the fan is plugged inside. It's a no better. Oh, which one is this? Huh? Oh, so it's the same cafe as the Accra Mall. Wow. Accra Mall, yeah. Oh, it even has a lift. Oh, yeah, it even has a lift there.
Wait, that's a real plane girl.
Wow. Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, Kids Zone. What is a Kids Zone? Oh, yeah, Kids Zone. Wow, that's nice. Oh, nice. Yeah, he would love it. If he was not sleeping, he would have loved it. He's always sleeping. He's always sleeping. Wow. Oh, this is... Oh, yeah? Yeah. Wow, it even has a lift. Wow. Flat one. How come you sound of an? Yeah. Huh? Wow. Huh? Wow. Chofo. Grouper. Something grouper. Ladyfish, yeah. What cassava? Yeah, one fruit, red fish, red snapper, yeah. Red snapper. Red snapper. Yafan Jawara la ila. Wow. This is the food court there. They have a food court here as well. Wow, this is all the food here. Wow, this is massive. Look where it says beer, and all the way back there, and all the way to the front. It's massive, man. It's massive, and all the way to that end there, where it says promo. Wow. Oh, that's all the sweets. Wow, they got all the cakes here too. Wow. Yeah, we got all of that. Huh?
I'd be scared.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we should have buy it. We should have buy it here. The water is nice, yeah. And also the that one tastes weird because it's in a small shop and it's in a plastic bottle. That's why.
Plastic bottles in the car, it tastes weird.
Oh yeah, it tastes weird.
It's actually
Yeah.
bad to have too much of it because it makes
Yeah.
you sick.
Oh, okay. Wow, they have another section there. I think that's the ham section. Sal, you see how they separate ham? They separate the pork. Oh yeah, they have a sections here.
Pork section.
Pork section here.
They're trying to make this together.
Ah.
People like me when I see pork or I hear
Okra. Cose okra. Cose okra mosalgo.
Before they when I went to my kitchen, I entered I want to. Hey, I was like, if I stuck here, I'm not going to tell my sisters I'm not going to lift that. They don't know let me this lift here. Hey, I press, I go up. I press again, I go down. I was like, where am I going? You see, this is not this. Are we already here?
Wow. Actually, home decor is big here in Ghana. Like home decoration is like everywhere.
Is that American?
home decor is American. Yeah.
I was saying
Yeah.
something.
Yeah. Wow.
I think
Wow. Philips. Mm-hmm. You laugh at here. What am I buying? The boil. Which one is that?
the electricals too, and see if they've got the
Oh, the plugs.
the memory thing.
Oh, SanDisk memory. Yeah. Memory card. Yeah. These are all the electronic ones. Oh, the decoration stuff is big here.
But you know what? It's funny seeing different countries because they decorate.
Curtains.
Yeah.
Oh, carpets. We are on the carpet section. Sorry, sir?
They love the cars here.
Oh, yeah, they love their cars here. Wow, nice, man. Nice. You can even see everything from up here. Wow, nice. It's all the toys there. That's my sis there. Wow, furniture. Sally looking at furniture. Aziz would like this, but he's sleeping. They love the cars here. For the kids' cars. Ah. Toys. Offices. Oh, I definitely want to go to the offices. Wow, look at this. This is massive here. It's big here. Look at Sandra looking straight at me. Look at Sandra looking straight at me. Sandra, what are you looking at? Sandra, look at Sandra. Sandra is looking staring right at me. Wow. Wow. Wow, it's so big that you can play tennis in there. Look at this fellow's playing tennis. What I do is tennis. But you see